Hey everybody, I bet you didn't notice that we did not put a video out this week, and that is because we are busy drinking. I mean moving.
Yeah, we're doing the moving part. Yeah.
And, but we've got some beer that we've already tasted here for no apparent reason, but we just kind of wanted to put out the PSA for everybody.
Yeah.
About beer and about Genus Brewing, and to give you a little bit more information.
Here's the situation, guys. While I pour a beer, here's the situation. So we are currently in our state out of the shop that you know and love, the good old classic picture of it behind my head, of the store. We're completely moved out of there, but we're in a little bit of a limbo right now because our new location is not yet built, and we're doing a lot of work basically to get that ready and to kind of just manage day-to-day business.
Hence be my amazing gloves in front of you.
Yeah, that's the only reason he's wearing them, for sure. But with all the chaos and everything like that, it's really hard to find, first of all, a place to set up and do any sort of filming, and then also our computers are broken down. So editing them and putting them on the internets for you guys to enjoy is also hard.
Just like me and life in general. With that said, we are going to be trying to make a few more videos. Just kind of stick with us. We'll probably try to put out one-ish a week. Probably not going to be hitting our 2 mark. But we will also be giving you updates on our brand new location. I think we're going to be trying to make one here tomorrow, actually, on how to kind of go through a brew day on a big 7-barrel system, big-ish.
That thing over there, which you've seen a couple times in some other videos. But
and so other than that, I mean, I think that's about it for tonight.
Be sure to stay tuned to not only our YouTube channel, so when we do fun videos like this, where a lot of you, I'm sure, are interested in learning how to brew on a commercial system, you'll be able to catch all those, but then also keep updated on our Facebook page and our Instagram page, because that's when we're going to be letting you know, hey, we're now at this stage in building a brewery. Some of you are probably interested in learning how that process goes. Not fun, by the way, but kind of interesting.
So stay tuned on Genus Brewing, and until next time, grab a sparkling Double Mountain Brutes and enjoy.
Cheers, folks.
I mean, is that content for a video right there, or what?
Yeah. Other news in the state of Washington, our Governor Jay Inslee declared today, March 2nd, is Washington Beer Day.
No
and
shit.
That's kind of cool.
That is kind of cool, actually.
Good going, Jay.
Everybody should be drinking beer.
I don't know.
Whenever you see this.
I don't know pretty much anything about your politics, but when you say beer,
I like you.
Yeah. Good on you.
Be sure to keep in touch with all of our social medias out there, including YouTube, Instagram, the Facebook. I don't know what else we're on, but follow them all.
Yeah, and let us know if you have a latex allergy, because it's probably not going to matter anyway. We forget those things.
You know, this is a nice little compact brew house, though.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.